May nag-message sa akin si ano. Ito na, next student ko na eh. Ito na. Ha? Aga. Okay.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, baby. I can't see you. That's why I am not talking. Hello, hello.
Hello.
I can see the ceiling of your house. And it's white.
Yes,
How are you today?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm also fine. I'm great. Thank you for asking. Anne? Am I right, Anne? Baby, your name is Anne, right? Queen Anne.
No, my name is Thang Linh.
Hold on.
Oh, wait, sorry.
Tran Lin. And who is Queen Anne?
Teacher,
Hold
in,
Yes, baby.
in 6 o'clock, what class we will have?
In 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay, in 6 o'clock. Baby. Yes, you are my student right now. You are, because there are many students that I have right now. So my student's name is, hold on, don't say it, baby. It's Tranlin. Am I right?
Yes.
Baby, I can see your face. That's why I don't remember your face. Can you show it to me even once?
No.
It's okay, baby. Now I remember because we only meet twice a week. That's why. And this is our our fourth meeting, right?
Yes.
Okay. So good evening, baby. Welcome to our class. Yes, Teacher Leia is very happy to see you again. Celine. So last time, our last lesson was about speaking. So right now, baby, our exam or our lesson is about reading, okay?
Okay.
So I will be correcting or I will correct your pronunciation and we're going to I will teach you how to read the proper vocabulary or pronunciation of the words. And again, if you don't understand some of the words or the words, you can ask teacher, okay?
Okay.
I'll share my screen. So can you see it?
Yes.
Yay! So I will explain to you one by one. Okay, welcome to our class. So this will be your preparation on exam, on test. So this will be your preliminary English test 6. So it keeps on repeating and repeating all the directions, all the rules, so that you will be familiar with it, okay?
Okay.
Reading test 2. So in our test, reading and writing, so you prepare a piece of paper. So there will be 5 parts. So each part has 5 number questions or 5 questions. The part 3 will be 10 questions and it is true or false. And the part 5 is 10 questions, multiple choice. Are you ready?
Yes.
So the total is 35 items. So again, Lynn, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask teacher, okay? So part 1, questions 1 to 5. Look at the text in each question. What does it say? You're going to mark the correct letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Are you ready, Lynn?
Yes.
So example, look at the 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 sign. Can you read it, baby? The sign.
No bicycles against glass here. Please.
Okay. No bicycles against glass, please. So what do you think is the meaning of that sign?
Like there is glass in front of in front of a lot of vehicles, and don't want to the glass. They don't want glass like broken or something, so they say that no bicycle against glass here.
Yeah. So they are giving warning for the people who has bikes. Don't lean the bike on their glasses because it might be broken, right? So what do you think is the answer? Can you read it? A, B, or C?
Uh, I
Do not leave your bicycle touching the window. It might be correct.
is A.
Yes, I think that's the correct one. Yes, very good. So you already know you already know how are you going to answer the part 1, okay?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Now, let's proceed to questions 1 to 5. Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes to read it. Tell me if you're ready.
I have an answer.
Okay, let's repeat. Let's read the sign. Watch repairs. Can you read it?
Watch repairs. Warning to customers. All uncollected items will be sold after 12 months.
Okay, baby. Let me correct it. It's items, okay? All
Uh,
uncollected items will be sold after 12 months. So items, say it again.
items.
Yay, very good. Okay, now, what is your answer? A, B, or C?
Is C.
Okay, so let me review the sign. Warning to customers. What do you mean by all uncollected items will be sold after 12 months? What do you think is that? What do you mean by that?
I don't know.
Okay, so I think it's all about the watch. So uh when For example, baby, your watch is broken. So what are you going to do? You're going to the repairman, and then you're going to repair the watch because it's broken, and then you're going to leave the watch to the repairman. So there is a warning for the customers who are not collecting the watch, that the repaired watch, right? So the repairman put a sign in his shop that all uncollected items will be sold after 12 months. So it means all the repaired watches that are not collected after 12 months, uh, he will sell it. Okay? Did you get it, Lynn?
Yes.
So what do you think is the answer?
Easy.
This shop will look after customers' watches for more than 12 months. Are you sure? Letter A, this shop will sell customers' watches within 12 months. B, this shop will keep customers' watches for up to 12 months. C, this shop will look after customers' watches for more than 12 months. Letter C is your answer. Let's find
Yeah.
out if it is that the correct answer. B, baby. So it means the shop will keep the customers' watches for 12 months. And after 12 months, they will sell it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next. Okay. 2 minutes, baby. Number 2. I'll give you 2 minutes to answer it.
Teacher, I finished.
You're finished on number 2. Philip.
Yeah.
Okay, can you read it, Philip?
Philip couldn't wait any longer. I didn't want to miss the start of the match. Problem at work? Here's your ticket. See you at the stadium. Stefano.
Stefano. Okay. So what do you think is the answer?
The answer is C.
Stefano has given up waiting for Philip to arrive. Okay, so Stefano left a letter to Philip saying that he couldn't wait any longer. He didn't want to miss the start of the match. Problem at work? Here's your ticket. See you at the stadium. So your answer is letter C. It might be correct. Yes, very good, Lee. Next, number 3.
Number 3 is parents complete and return their child's form for next month's school trip by Friday. And my answer is A.
Parents, this is a signage for parents. Parents, complete and return your child's form for next month's school trip by Friday. So your answer is parents.
A.
Parents must return forms this week if their child is going on Friday's trip. See, baby, the last day for returning completed forms for the trip is Friday. But actually, parents must return forms this week if their child is going on Friday. Okay, the second correct answer is letter A, baby. But the best answer is letter C. Okay?
Okay.
Not bad. Okay, next. Go, Lynn.
Finish, teacher.
Okay. Can you read it number 4 from Gabby to
I
Joe?
will be in town on business on Wednesday. So could we meet for dinner then instead of on Thursday as usual? So my answer is B.
Okay. So Gabby is writing an email, I think, to Joe. I'll be in town on business on Wednesday. So could we meet for dinner then instead of on Thursday as usual? So your answer is change an arrangement, cancel a regular event, come to a business meeting. Are you sure your answer is letter
Yes.
B? Okay. Letter A, baby. It's an arrangement. So Gabby wants to change the date or the day where when they could meet with Joe instead of Thursday. They will be meet on Wednesday. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Number 5.
Number 5. Light survey starts at ground floor today. For basement, please use the stairs.
Okay. Lift service starts at ground floor today. For basement, please use the stairs. So what is your answer?
My answer is C.
Okay. The stairs between the basement and ground floor are closed today. Okay. It is not possible to use the lift above the ground floor today. The lift will not be going to the basement today. The stairs between the basement and the ground floor are closed today. Lift service starts at ground floor today. For basement, please use the stairs. Okay. It might be the answer. Let's find out. It's B, baby. So you're going to choose the nearest answer. The lift will not be going to the basement today. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Questions part 2, baby. It's 6 to 10. The people below want to visit. Can you read it, baby?
The people below want to visit the park. On the opposite page, there are descriptions of 8 parks. Decide which park would be the most suitable for the following people. For questions 6 to 10, mark the correct letter A to H on the answer sheet.
Okay. So some people will visit a park. So there will be on the opposite page, there are the descriptions of 8 parks. Decide which park would be the most suitable for the people. You're going to answer 6 to 10 and you're going to mark the correct letter. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I'll give you 5 minutes, baby, to answer 6 to 10. Okay? You're going to write A, B, C, or D. What park is suitable for each people? Okay?
Okay.
Go, baby.
Tito,
Yes, baby.
I don't know, like a beautiful park on the edge of the city, and I don't know the edge is what.
The H, the
Yeah,
H,
in the Brock Park.
what letter, baby?
C.
So Brook Park, a beautiful park on the edge of the city, Brook Park, attracts huge crowds. The open air theater has a program of plays suitable for school groups. There is a well-used basketball court and baseball field. A children's playground and a cafe climb Harris Hill to admire the beautiful fields and forest beyond the city. So baby, you're going to identify which park is suitable for Isabel, Mr. Martin, Kumiko and Atsuko, Hans and Birgit Kaufman, and Melanie and Stefan. Did you get it?
No.
Okay, let's read number 6, baby. Can you read it?
Isabel works in a city center and likes painting and drawing in her free time. She wants to practice her hobby in a small, quiet park near her office.
Okay, Isabel works in the city center. So what park is this? So the park, the Hadley Park is in the peaceful village of Cranford, 20 kilometers outside the city. The park, so it's not suitable for Isabel because Isabel, oh, it can be, baby. The park has a large green spaces for football and there is also an area of woodland, a boating lake, fish ponds, and a variety of local wildlife. The public park is free. So number 6 is, okay, let's find that. Ah, there is another. Okay, baby, hold on. Read that's number 7. What will be your answer in number 6, baby? What letter?
I say, what letter is what?
What is your answer? What park is number 6?
I can't choose because I'm asking you that the age is what?
H. This one, baby. Because there's still park in the next page, okay? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to read it. Done, baby?
Not, no.
It's hard the part 2, no?
I just know the answer in question 8.
8. Komiko and Atsuko would like to visit a park which they can get to by boat. Oh, so the boat is,
Is G.
can I see it? This quiet park on the edge of the city and easy to visit by public transport has boats. Yes. So number 6, Isabel works in the city. So she likes uh, a park which has a small quiet park near the office.
Because they say that Hyde Park and near her office, and I cannot find.
I think number 6 is letter F. This is a tiny little known park in the heart of the city, right? Big gardens filled with sculptures, trees, and flowers. It makes a perfect resting place. Okay, let's find out. It's hard to. Okay. Oh, sorry. So number 6 is letter F. I told you. Can you read it, baby? From East Bank Park.
East Bend Park. This is a tiny little known park in the heart of the city, with gardens filled with sculptures, trees, and flowers. It makes a perfect resting place popular with local artists, and is within minutes of the theater and entertainment district.
Number 7 is letter H.
Elmwood Park. At Elmwood Park, there are walks on well-made paths and cycle rides for all abilities. Elmwood is just inside the city limit and has an area of quiet woodland, which is home to deer and other animals. The visitor center, numerous display boards, and a fun quiz make this a positive learning experience of all ages.
Okay. And number 8, letter E. Boscawen Park.
This small and peaceful park offers guide tours given by the Knowledge Iowa environment officers, and even the visitor to the park may be lucky enough to see royal frogs and bats. It is situated on the River Elton and can be reached in about 30 minutes from the city center by river taxi. There is a snack bar and gift shop.
Okay. And you are correct on number 9, letter G. Victoria Park. So can you read it? This quiet park on the edge of the city.
And easy to visit by public transport. Has boats for hire on the lake, a skateboard park, basketball and tennis courts, and a picnic area, often seen in postcard views of the city. Victoria Park contains one of the oldest windmills in this country. The museum should not be missed.
Okay, and lastly, the number 10 is letter C. Can you read it? Brook Park.
A beautiful park on the edge of the city, Brook Park attracts huge crowds. The open-air theater has a program of plays suitable for school groups. There is a well-used basketball court and baseball field, a children's playground and a cafe. Climb Harris Hill to admire the beautiful fields and forests beyond the city.
Okay, very good. So the part 2 is quite hard, right?
Yes.
It's hard. Me too. I find it hard. Okay, part 3, questions 10 to 20. Look at the sentences below about the Iditarod Trail in Alaska. Read the text on the opposite page to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, mark A on your answer sheet. If it is not correct, you're going to mark B on your answer sheet. Are you ready? Correct,
Yes.
incorrect. Okay, read it first. The history of Iditarod. You can read it in silent, baby, so that you can understand it on your own before you answer 11 to 12, okay? 11 to 20. I'll give you 5 minutes to read it or 10 minutes to answer, read and answer, okay?
Okay. Teacher, we will write true or false.
Yes, you're going to write A if it is correct, B if it is false.
Okay. Teacher, I'm finished.
Wow, you're very fast. So I will read it for you. The history of the ID Tarot, the last great race on Earth. In the 1880s, gold was discovered in what is now the most northern state of the USA, Alaska. Alaska is the coldest place, baby. There's no sun. There's no sunny day in Alaska. It's all ice. Okay. Many people came to the area hoping to get rich. New towns were built and grew quickly. One such town was called Iditarod, which means far distant place. This town grew so quickly during 1909 that it briefly became the largest city in Alaska. In the summer months, essential supplies could be delivered to this town by boat. Oh, but in the winter, the rivers and the ocean froze and there was no way to get them. So in 1910, a winter track was built which would be used by teams of dogs. Oh, pulling sleds. That's nice. They would take mail, food, and clothes to the gold miners. The track became known as the Iditarod Trail. It took a team of dogs about 3 weeks to travel across Alaska. They stopped at road houses where the drivers could get a warm bed for their night and something to eat for both themselves and their dogs. The trail was used every winter until the 1920s when aeroplanes replaced steamboats and dog teams as the main form of transport. Okay, can you read number 11 to 20 and say it if it is A or B, baby?
Okay, the population of Alaska remained the same throughout the 1880s. Is A.
B, baby. It is not because some people go there in order thinking that they will get rich, right?
Okay.
12, baby.
12. For a short time, more people lived in the Tarot than in any other city in Alaska. Is A.
Yes, they went there thinking that they're going to be rich. Next,
Next, after 1910, it became possible to deliver letters in winter as well as summer. I cannot know this.
after 1910,
Ah,
became
oh,
possible.
it's A. I know, it's B.
Yeah, it's okay, baby. It's okay to commit mistakes. It's not a crime. Number 14.
When traveling on a Indie Tarot trail, drivers had to take food for the dogs with them. Is A.
Yes. Ah, okay. Drivers had to take food for dogs with them. Not the dogs will be the one to uh pull the sleds. Okay.
Okay.
Next, number 15.
Number 15. In the 1920s, airplanes were used more often than boats and dogs. B. I guess it.
Oops. Baby, why is it that I cannot press? Hey, baby. In 1920s, aeroplanes were used more often than boats and dogs. 1920s means, baby, 20 to 30s. Okay? So,
Okay.
1920, okay?
Okay.
Numbers. There's still continuation, baby. You can continue read it. However,
Doctors in now had a good supply of medicine to cure diphtheria.
yes. So the dogs had a disease called diphtheria hit the city of Nome. Can you read it, baby?
I read what?
The continuation.
But I have read it.
Maybe it's another. It's the continuation. Not the first one. This is the first one. Look, this is the first one. This is the second one. You can read it on in your mind, baby. Tell me, baby, if you're done reading it, okay?
Okay.
Anh hỏi người nó bảo đi 6 triệu, triệu thì có phải là người mới có 4 triệu không? Trong cơn này cầm 2 triệu không? Nó không phải thế. Thế thì nó nói là không biết là không cái mặt đấy. Nó còn cái cây ấy, cái kiểu mua mấy cái là phải mua hai, đợt đầu là nó không tính, đợt hai, đợt ba là về cái cung một nữa là được tiền để nó gọi là chăm sóc cho cả đứa mẹ. Nó đã như thế thì không nói gì thì nó không cứ hỏi đi hỏi cái bộ hay không biết mua hàng này nhất trai mình dùng họ đấy thì mình có nói đi nói lại như việc có vốn nó đấy tại nó cái gì nó được hỏi. Thế còn cái tiền là hôm anh đi chợ 10 triệu đúng không? Anh cần đi 10 triệu hay là mấy triệu? Đấy, có 10 triệu 10 triệu anh phải thiếu rồi phải bỏ của anh 5 triệu.
Baby, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, number 15. In 1920s, aeroplanes were used more often than boats and dogs. A or B?
B.
A, baby. We already answered this a while ago. Doctors in Nome had a good supply of medicine to cure diphtheria.
A.
False, baby. The closest medicine that could be found was in Anchorage. It's far from Alaska, baby. The pilot Carl Ailson refused to fly his plane because of the cold weather. Is it false or true or false?
The number 6. No, 17.
Yes.
Is A.
B, baby. Leonhard Cephalus dog was able to lead him safely to his destination. It's true. Balto fell into some icy water but managed to save himself.
But I didn't say anything.
Okay, number 18, baby.
A.
Alaska looking. Okay. Number 19, baby.
B. I know. A.
Baby, look at this. Balto. Balto is a dog. At one point, Balto refused to go any further and save the team from falling into icy water. Okay, he doesn't go there. That's why he doesn't manage to save himself. Number 20.
Hey,
Baby, are you tired, baby?
Zia.
Okay, we're going to continue this on Thursday. We are on slide 14. Baby, we're going to repeat this, okay? This slide 14, okay?
Okay.
Okay, see you on Thursday. Pet 6 test 2 reading. Okay, slide 14. So we're going to continue that on Thursday, okay? See, same time.
Okay.
Baby.
Goodbye.